Welcome to Everyday Cooking. Today let us see how to do Kanchipuram style millet idli. This will be very flavorful and will taste so good. We are going to make these idlis with Mastercook products. This is available in Amazon and link is there in the description box. For the recipe we need 1 cup of raw rice. Clean the rice and soak this in water. Take 1 cup of black gram. Clean this and soak this in water. We are going to soak both rice and the black gram for 2 to 3 hours. Once they turn soft, transfer them into a mixie jar or a grinder and grind them separately. Next we are going to take 1 cup of sorghum flour, that is jowar flour. To this let us add the rice batter and give a nice mix. Now add water little by little and bring this to a idli batter consistency. Once you get this consistency, add the black gram batter. Now give a nice mix. To this add the required amount of salt. The final consistency of the batter has to be like this. Let us leave the batter for fermentation. You can leave for around 10 to 12 hours for the fermentation process. After fermentation, your batter will be like this. Next, let us move on and start the tempering. For the tempering, pour some oil in a pan. Add half a teaspoon of mustard seeds, half a teaspoon of split black gram, half a teaspoon of chickpeas, half a teaspoon of peppercorns, and half a teaspoon of cumin seeds. Now saute everything well. To this add a quarter teaspoon of Asafoetida. Once everything got fried well, transfer this into the batter. Give this a nice mix. We are not going to pour the batter straight into the idli plate. Instead, we are going to use tumblers like this. You have to grease the tumbler with oil and place a banana leaf like this. Fill all the tumblers with batter. Place them on an idli steamer filled with water. Now let us steam cook this for 10 to 15 minutes. So here our idlis are ready. Take it out of the tumbler and serve this along with sambar and chutney. Do give a try, this will taste so good. Hope you like the recipe. We'll join you in another interesting recipe and don't forget to subscribe our channel.